What's your name?
Wilhelm.
William. From which country?
Norway.
From Norway, guys. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna cut his hair. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, guys. Okay. So first we're gonna come in here, and then
Yeah. I love to cut here also.
yeah,
Not really.
yeah.
Oh.
So we're gonna put the gloves to cut your hair. You see.
You're screaming a lot.
Yeah, I'm the best of the best.
A little bit of words also.
Okay, baby, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna come the hair here, here, and so. Okay. And then put this one here. Put this one here, and then. Okay, my friend, turn on. Very good. Okay, so we're going here. The camera. Okay, so take this bit high for the camera. You can see your hair here, yeah?
Oh, yes.
You see that? So
Yeah.
first we will comb your hair like this. So see here, we comb the hair. So can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, he can see it also on the camera the way I'm cutting his hair. You see here. Okay, now we're gonna go here.
I see what the back means.
You see the back?
Yeah.
Yes, that's good.
Oh, I see that it hands.
Yes, of course. See? Okay, guys, go back a little bit. Do you like this? More. Oh, very good. Yeah.
I have a sweet in mine.
Yes,
In here.
yes, yes. Okay,
Hello,
perfect.
sir.
That's good. So, perfect. Now we're going to use our machine. Go back, go back. Thank you.
Let's see what was improved.
Huh?
What was improved.
Just 1 second. I'll finish this and I'll come to you. Perfect.
And then I kept on the no moving.
Move it.
No moving. No. That's good. I am moving.
You don't like this?
I like this man. Yeah, man. I'm moving.
It's moving, yeah, yeah.
And I'm not can moving.
Yeah, okay. You go a little bit down. Perfect, guy. Oh, yeah. So now we're going to cut your hair. Very little bit.
Not little.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. My part is the is the 20.
Yeah.
9.
Yeah.
It's 9.
Yeah.
My mom is 28.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is perfect.
Yes, you can see it, how they cut the hair in the mirror.
Yes.
Yes.
And then you do the little bit up also.
Yeah, like your mother said, little bit.
Yeah. Little bit up here.
Yes, of course.
And I know one little bit.
Yes, little bit.
And I know that. Oh, the little bit. Oh, I have one.
Yeah. Yeah.
40.
Okay. Wow.
So this is here, but I will put some water to come down because of the blow dry bowl. I'm gonna smooth it out, but this is the longer the top.
Not 12, 40, 20, 40.
Yeah?
Perfect. If you like, I can put you some gel or you want some cream. You want some? This is very good. This your dad will buy also. It smells to vanilla, right? Smell? Yeah. This is sweet vanilla.
Perfect. Very nice.
I show you.
That?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
Thank you, thank you. Now we will cut in the front, so we got the camera here.
Oh, hey.
Hey!
Hello.
Hello guys, here's tell you what's your name? Wilhelm from Norwegian. Norway, guys from Norway. No, okay, we're gonna cut it here now, so cut it here, so
Oh, I see that in the camera.
that you can see it in the camera, yeah.
Oh, it's already 47, 48,
Yes.
49, 50, 51, 52.
Yes.
I can take it 100 in Norwegian.
Wow, very good.
In Norwegian. Also, I can learn in English.
Oh, very good.
And a little bit of
Yes. Wow, very nice. Look. You like it?
Yeah.
I like it also. So,
I take a little bit of down.
yes. And now we go to the other side. So we're gonna turn the chair. Be careful for your foot, for the camera. Be careful. Hey guys, can you see? Welcome. Here, we gotta cut this side now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, guys. So, okay.
Little
So,
bit of down.
yes, yes. Just 1 second. Like this. You like it like that? So, very nice.
Little bit of here.
Yeah, just 1 second. Just 1 second. I just finished already. Almost finished. Eh? So go here. You wanna say something to everybody in the camera?
Yeah. I say I already.
You can say 1, 2, 3 in English.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's very
3,
good.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Oh.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 41, 42,
Yeah.
43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
Oh, 70!
70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87,
Look to the camera.
89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 99, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Yay! Very good. Very good guy.
I have a little bit of hole here.
You see, I put you in the middle so people can see you. So, this, that. So, till 100 he can say. Say 100.
Amber.
100.
Amber.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 100. 100, 200, 300, 400.
500, 600, 700, 800, 900,
900.
100, 200, 2, 200,
200.
200, and after 900, 1000.
1,000. Yes.
1001, 1002, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000.
9,000.
9000.
Yes, guys. He can say till 9,000.
Oh,
9,000.
58.
58, yes.
58 already there. Oh, now is the 0 and 7,
Yes.
0 and 30.
Yes, let me see. Wow, beautiful. Look at the hair. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I can cut the fringe and then we are ready.
And now I'm almost.
Like a present, because I don't have the big bag.
Yes.
This is nice as a present.
Yeah. So, can I cut the fringe?
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
We will cut the fringe.
Okay, so this is 18.
So,
Yeah.
For you,
you see?
17.
Fringe, fringe, fringe. Tell them the fringe. You like the fringe? Yeah?
Yeah.
You see? Like this. And here. I'm gonna dry the hair.
So altogether,
We will dry the hair. We will dry it. Do you want this side? This side? Where do you want? This? Yeah?
I want the others.
Huh?
I want the left.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. We will do that.
I do that
So
first.
I'm gonna show to you how we dry the hair.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Look at it. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. I like it. You want this side or this side? What do you want?
Left.
Huh?
You left.
Yeah.
Oh, also right now.
Yeah.
Also right.
Yeah.
You look at the left. It's the left.
this perfect and then we can go. Guys, we're gonna do it perfect and then you will tell me if you like it. So just go down, please go down, just 1 second. Stay there, don't move, don't move. Don't move, go down, go down. Stay there, don't move, yeah, just 1 second. We are almost finished. So that's really nice. Yeah, beautiful.
I like
Wow, you like it?
Yeah.
Wait, don't move. Yeah? Right there, so what's here. You like it? Huh?
I like it so much.
Look in the mirror. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, tell them, what do you want? How are you welcome? How do you feel? Do you like your hair?
Yeah.
Tell everybody, hey guys, I like your hair.
Hey guys, I like
My
my
kid.
hair. I want to see what your hair looks like tomorrow.
Wow, he want to see what this look like your hair tomorrow, guys. So by now, that was welcome from Norway. We will say to everybody,
Bye bye.
bye bye.